In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log into Gmail securely with a QR code. To begin, go to the Google login page on your laptop or desktop computer. It is best to type the address directly into your browser or use a trusted bookmark so you avoid fake sign-in pages. Once the page loads, you will see the sign-in box. Enter your Gmail address in the email field, then select Next. Take a moment to confirm you are on the official Google account site before you continue. This helps keep your account secure, especially if you are signing in on a shared computer or a network you do not fully control. After you select Next, you will be taken to the password screen. Instead of entering a password, look for the option that says Try another way or use a passkey. The exact wording can vary depending on your device and settings, but it will be on the sign-in page near the other sign-in options. Select that option and then choose the method that mentions using a phone or tablet or using a QR code. This is the key step because it allows you to confirm the sign-in using your phone rather than typing a password on the computer. Once you select the QR code option, a QR code will appear on your computer screen. Keep that page open and do not refresh it. Make sure the code is fully visible and not blocked by any pop-ups or browser zoom. Now pick up your phone and open the camera app. On most modern phones, the camera can scan QR codes automatically. If your camera does not detect it, you can use a dedicated QR scanning app that you trust. Point your phone camera at the QR code on the computer screen and hold it steady. Keep the phone a comfortable distance away so the code is clear and in focus. When your phone recognizes the code, it will show a link or prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions on your phone to continue the secure sign-in process. And that is all there is to it.